Hi guys, a warm welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be using one of my new favourite tools, and these are facial ice globes. So these ones were kindly gifted to me from a company called Fraîcheur Paris, and I also have a discount code for you that you can get 15% off. So it's Face Yoga Expert 15, and it's all in capital letters, and that'll get you 15% off these gorgeous tools. Now I keep them in the fridge, you can also keep them in the freezer, and today I'm just going to show you how to use them around the mouth area. Very good for nasal labial folds and for lip lines, particularly good because they are so cooling. So let's start here now. It's nice to have clean skin. Apply a little bit of your Fusion by Danielle serum, and we're just working up the marionette lines into nasal labial folds all the way till we reach that lovely acupressure point there. It feels gorgeous. It's so cooling. I particularly like doing this first thing in the morning. So I'm just turning each way here to show you, but actually it's quite nice doing this little gentle movement of the neck. It just releases a little bit of neck tension as well there. Now let's just use one, and we're going to go on our lips a little bit. So we're going, you can see I'm making a bit of an O shape, tucking the lips in slightly. And I'm going to do the other one. And let's do two together. And then we're going back up the marionette lines, nasal labial folds now. Back to that acupressure point. So really lovely. You can see here I'm doing a lovely lifting of the muscle as well. Let's just do two more. And then releasing. Hope you've enjoyed that little video to help this area around the mouth. Take care, bye bye.